UnitedHealth has experienced a rough ride in 2025, with its stock plunging nearly 60% in the past year. The company is facing tons of regulatory scrutiny, rising medical costs, and management changes. Despite these challenges, the UnitedHealth long-term potential and fundamental strengths still remain intact. So is now the right time to buy, or should investors wait for a better entry point? In this video, I will make my case on what would be the best strategy moving forward, and you can decide on your own. United Health's price drop stems from several factors. The company has been battling a sharp increase in medical claims, particularly within its Medicare Advantage segment. In early 2025, United Health's medical cost ratio, a key metric of claims payments relative to premiums received, surged, signaling escalating healthcare expenses. The company also faced a leadership shakeup, with former CEO Andrew Whitty resigning, followed by an investigation by the Department of Justice into its billing practices. These issues have created uncertainty and driven the stock price lower. Despite these setbacks, UnitedHealth continues to demonstrate resilience. The company reported an increase in revenue, which grew 12.9% year over year in Q2, while its Optum division, which operates as a healthcare services provider, also contributed solid revenue growth. However, earnings were down significantly. The resignation of CEO Whitty and the subsequent appointment of Stephen Hemsley has raised concerns. Hemsley previously served as CEO for over a decade. Under his leadership, UnitedHealth saw substantial growth, and many investors are hopeful that his return will provide stability. However, the ongoing DOJ investigation over alleged Medicare billing irregularities has investors concerned. Is the DOJ scrutiny overblown? There have been no significant developments in the investigation so far, and previous similar cases in the industry have resulted in settlements rather than criminal charges. The market may be overreacting a bit. One of UnitedHealth's biggest strengths is in its diversified business model, particularly its Optum division, which provides a range of services beyond traditional health insurance. Optum's growth has been a significant driver of revenue, with the segment continuing to see strong demand, particularly from its pharmacy services. Despite some setbacks in the Optum Insights division, which has been struggling with product innovation and the lingering effects of a cyber attack, the overall outlook for Optum remains strong. UnitedHealth is currently trading at a low price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-free cash flow ratio. UnitedHealth's long-term growth prospects is still strong, with analysts projecting that the company's earnings will double by 2030. To be fair to UnitedHealth, they are not alone in facing some of these challenges. The healthcare sector as a whole is under pressure, with rising medical costs affecting companies across the industry. However, UnitedHealth has managed to outperform many of its competitors, such as Humana and Molina Healthcare, in terms of cost management and margins. While other companies in the sector are also struggling with similar issues, UnitedHealth's scale and vertical integration allow it to better manage these pressures. The current price is hovering just above the $245 support level, and a break below this could signal further downside toward the $240 range. On the upside, resistance is around the $255 to $260 range, where the stock has failed to maintain upward momentum. RSI is currently neutral, suggesting that the stock is neither overbought nor oversold, indicating that further consolidation might occur before a large move. Volume has been relatively high, pointing to heightened investor interest, possibly in anticipation of future developments in the company's legal and financial outlook. For investors looking to buy right now, the stock may continue to struggle in the short term, but the long-term upside potential remains significant. If you're waiting for a better entry, you can start a small position now and average down if the stock continues to fall. Again, in the long run, I don't see how we won't see a nice recovery. If you enjoyed my analysis of UnitedHealth, check out my other stock-related video. Also make sure to subscribe, as it really helps the channel out. Until next time, goodbye.